Hello, my beautiful, amazing crochet family. I am your one and your only Lady of Crochet, Lady Simone, and we are back with another video. So I wanted to hop on to talk about a couple of things because this week in crochet was not really like a major week for me in crochet. I did get some things done, but not a lot of things, but that's okay because, hey, if y'all have been watching this channel, you know what I always say. I am not one that is hard on myself. I get it done when I get it done because guess what? I'm always doing things at the right time when I'm supposed to be doing it, and I live by that. So whatever you're doing in life, like I always say, you are doing it at the time you're supposed to do it, and you're at the right place at the right time. Don't be so hard on yourself. But I did get to work on something that was so exciting because this week, I don't know if a lot of you have these types of weeks when it comes to crochet or even your arts and crafts that you're just like, you know what, I just don't feel like really crocheting a lot of things today. I didn't really have like, there's things I want to crochet, but I don't want to say I was busy because although I was busy, I didn't feel like picking my hook up as much. So because it was so much other things going on in my head that I was just kind of like mentally working this week, a whole lot of mental work. So I said, you know what, let's pick up my granny square, granny square blanket, my scrap granny square blanket. So I'm going to show you all. I picked it up. Look at this. And I showed this before. It's getting bigger, y'all. It is. And it's getting so much bigger. And I'm telling myself, I'm gonna show, like, I added this in. I didn't really like that scrap yarn with it. I may add some more, but it has like a little halo on it, and I'm kind of like, I wasn't 100% like, oh, I love it. So I used, as you can see, just a little piece for that section. Then I clipped it and added some different yarn. So I was just like, I don't know. It didn't do anything for me, but I did get to add some brown to it, which I did not know I was going to love that much. I added brown. We have some yellow added, little white, and that is a actual Karen cake. No. Karen Ogo yarn. I added some of that in there. The fuzziness was a cake yarn. I can't remember the actual brand. I don't think I have it. I don't have it behind me. It's in my shelf on the hall. But anyways, I added some to my scrap blanket. I'm excited about that. Then I found this scrap ball of yarn. It has some orange in the middle with some turquoise on the outside, or aqua, whatever color you want to call it. So what I decided to do, I began to add it here. So I think I'm going to use this one out, and I'm going to just keep going around. Now, I have said, and I've asked myself, I'm like, when do I say enough is enough with the scrap blanket, which is nowhere near big enough now. I don't know what size. So what I was giving myself, I think what would be a great deadline is to give myself like a month, like a certain month to stop working on it and then start a whole new one, because I want to create lots of scrap blankets so I can divvy it out to my family, to my kids, so when they get older they'll have a piece of me. That's my idea on it. So I'm like, if I pick the month of June, and June will be the last month I work on this blanket, then I pick another one up for say 3 or 4 months and just keep working like that. That way it's like I'll kind of have a blanket during that time of month per se, or y'all listen, I don't know. So if y'all are working on a scrap blanket, a granny square or whatever type of scrap blanket, let me know, how do you determine when do you stop as far as the sizing, and or do you just go with like, I want it to be queen size or king size, or because me, hey, it's the feels for me. However I'm feeling, it's like, hey, this one is done. Boop, boop, boop. I think it's big enough. But I know my husband, he's 6'6". My boys, they're going to be tall. My daughter, she's tall. So I can't make little blankets, y'all. I got to make them good size, because when they get older, I think they may be a little more, they're going to need a little more space. So that's why I'm not sure when I'm going to stop. But one more time to show y'all, this is my granny square blanket I've been working on. I'm continuing to work on. I love it. Absolutely one of my faves. And I can already see these are going to be hard for me to get over because I'm like, I'm going to want to keep them on. But I'm not. I'm going to get much gratification knowing that they're in the family. That's going to make me happy. You know, you walk into your mom's house, laying across the couch is a granny square you made. You know, that right there is just like awesomeness to me. But anyways, let's get into this I don't know. I have a hard time saying unboxing when it's actually like a bag or something else. So we're going to just say this unpacking. How about that? Let's get into the unpacking. I'm so excited. So I'm going to tell y'all what this is, okay? It is, I wrote all the information down, so excuse me for looking down. But it's Nerdyknitz by Nikki. She have a March crochet mystery grab bag. Now, I ordered this. It came definitely great in time. I'm just a little behind on opening it because I really wanted to do a video for it. So I was just like, okay, I gotta open it. I wanted to open it, but I was like, no, I'm gonna open it on camera. So I had to wait. So she has this thing on Etsy, and I found her on Etsy. She does grab bags for like the crochet eyes, and it's the mystery. I don't know what's going to be in it. I did not look at anyone else's like social medias to see because I always like the surprise, but it's on Etsy. And it was $20, and I think she do it every month. Don't hold me to it because I went to the website. I went to Etsy before the video to get all the details on it so I can have it for this video. But I don't know when she posts the next month's one, but I'm pretty sure it may be like the beginning of April. So, excuse me. I'm going to definitely probably, you know, check her out again in April because from what I've seen from prior ones, they were really cool. And I like the fact that, I clicked the top, but I didn't look in it. So this is what we're looking at here. That's why I was like, I like the fact that it's a mystery and you don't know what you're going to get. But I also like the fact that it challenges me because I use like sometimes when you crochet, especially with amigurumi, you use the same kind of things you already have. So I don't use a lot of the felt eyes. So I think there should be some. I'm not sure. I'm not going to say there should be some because I don't know what's in it. I think some people had felt eyes before. So if there are some, which I don't think so, but it's okay because I like the it challenged me to use something different outside of the eyes that I have. That's what I'm trying to say, y'all. I'm trying to say it and look at the camera and look at this and get excited. I'm all over the place, y'all. I'm all over the place. But anyways, okay. So these are the, okay. In every video, something slips and goes. I'm trying to bring it back, y'all. I forgot what they call it. Safety eyes. Boom. Gotcha. These are the safety eyes. Okay. So I do have safety eyes, but what I thought was very fun about these is that it gives me an opportunity to try something that I may not have. So I was super excited. And I'm planning on this week working on some, look at those. Oh, those glitter safety eyes get me all the time. But I plan on working on some bunnies. So these will be awesome. So we got the larger one there. And then I have this size one. Let's see if I can get you there. That size safety eye. And that one comes with, ooh. See, I did not, let me put the, okay. Y'all, bear with me, y'all. Bear with me. Because it is a surprise. And we surprising together. But it is fine. So this one came, the smaller one has like this blue hologram type. And if you know anything about the safety eyes, there's a piece that goes on top, like that little, you can see it right here. It's a little piece that you kind of push down over the top of the thing before you stick it in there. And you push that down. And then, ooh, look at that blue. Let's see if I can show y'all here. I'm trying to get it. Okay, y'all, my nails in the way. Okay, you see that? There's a blue there. You see that blue? That is so pretty. So there's a blue that's in there Wow, that's so pretty. And you probably can't see that one that much. I apologize if you can't. But I love that color. Then it comes with a 3.5 millimeter crochet hook, which is pretty cool. 3.5, just a simple crochet hook there. Then we have some more eyes. Ooh. Like I said, I have lots of safety eyes in my collection, my safety eye collection. But there's some that I don't have. When you're dealing with safety eyes, you'll see there's a look at that one. When you're dealing with them, there's so much that there's so many different kinds that you can actually get. So we have 2 sets of this kind here that I just showed, like the rainbow holographic a little bit. Ooh, okay. Ooh, I see. Oh, okay. I don't want to get too excited. Okay, y'all. Okay, I'm trying to. Now look at this one. Ooh, this one has like stars and glitter. I like that. Okay, so we have that. Okay, we have 1 set of the big giant stars and glitter. Whoa, we said, woo, look at this. Y'all, look at this one. Okay, I can't open it fast enough, and then I'm telling y'all to look at it like you can see it without me showing, right? Okay, I never seen this before, the sunglasses, but look. How cool is that? You don't have to wear. I have some mini sunglasses I got off of Etsy for my dolls that I was doing, and I will put them on, and it's just like regular glasses that you kind of put on like doll glasses, but never none like with the safety thing in the back. That's pretty cool. And ooh, these are like snake eyes. Oh, ooh, look at this. This is like snake eyes almost. Ooh, Weezer. That's pretty cool. Okay, so you got that. Y'all, it's a lot in here. Let's see, I want to make sure I'm showing all of that. What I got excited about, remember I was telling y'all about the felt eyes. Oh, now this is so cute. Okay, let me get this out. There's some felt eyes in here. Look at that packet. We have felt eyes in there. But then also, look at this. It's a corn safety. It is a corn safety, what is it called? A corn stitch marker. Look at that. Now that's awesome. So one thing I do have for my stitch markers, I don't really use these when I'm crocheting, being honest. What I do have is a crochet bag that I keep all of my hooks in when it's time for me to crochet. So when say if I'm going somewhere and I carry my hook bag with me, or even just crochet in the living room, and on my hook bag, I hook all of my cool little stitch markers. So this would definitely get hooked on that. I'm excited about that. So I did get some felt eyes. I'm excited about that because, like I said, I don't normally try felt eyes, so to get those are exciting. Y'all, this is so much stuff to get through. So Nerdyknitz, here to satisfy your nerdy fantasies. That's her card. Show y'all that. Nerdyknitz. And she has an Etsy and an Instagram. So I'm going to put all of her information down below. Like I said, I don't want the video to be too long. So I'm going to just kind of show y'all a little more here. So I got this bag here. And I know open them a little bit. I'm feeling like a snail as I'm opening. But I want y'all to see the cool, eyes that you get, because guess what, like I said, there's some eyes that I never tried before, and these are awesome. Like I have the safety eyes, but I don't have some of the backings for them that has that designs on it, because they come, if you order safety eyes, you will see that the variety is insane. And sometimes I know for me, I wouldn't know what to get. So to be able to try this out and get a sample of all the different types of eyes, because I think I usually, when I made my big order for safety eyes, it was mainly just like glittered and all of that. Because like I say, it can get a little overwhelming when you're ordering in bulk, because you don't get to choose like, hey, let me get 5 of these and this right here. They come in a certain amount. So that's cute too. We got those. And oh, look at that. I don't have to take these one out. This one came like the blue eyes, and look at that, like a little pig snort. I wonder how that would look if I use this right here for what's it called? A bunny, like a pig bunny. I don't know why that came in my mind, but I don't know. I may have to try that out. But I feel like they were well worth $20. The eyes, the felt eyes, all of the safety eyes that you're going to get, the cute little stitch marker. Oh my goodness. I'm excited to add this onto my stitch marker little, my crochet little bag. But I think it is worth it, being someone who have ordered safety eyes in bulk before, and knowing that you have to order a whole lot in order to get like different varieties. So if you want to try out like a variety of safety eyes, I feel like Nerdyknitz is, her mystery crochet bag is awesome. It is amazing. I think it is well worth the $20 that was on Etsy, because you get just a variety. You can add it to your amigurumi if you crochet a lot of amigurumi or whatever you may use the safety eyes for. Me personally, I think it's worth it. I enjoyed it. I love a good mystery bag, but hey, that's just me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that y'all are having an awesome, amazing, wonderful weekend, and I will see y'all next time. But always remember that I am your one and your only Lady of Crochet, Lady Simone. I'll see you next time.